Ah! Whoa! What was that? Oh yes! Oh, I could lay here all day, but there's work to be done. This is amazing. Well guys, it's finally here. My favourite night of the week, camp night. I'm going to be sleeping in a hammock tonight. Never done it before, so it's going to be a fun one. Always learning. Fingers crossed I can find a nice spot, nice little location where there's 2 trees, perfect distance apart, where I can set up base for the night. Got some lovely food to cook. We're going to be chilling around the campfire and just escaping the hustle and bustle, as you know we do on this channel. Oh, I'm going to have a little look around to try and find a location, because this bag is heavy. I think these 2 trees might be perfect. Oh, what a location, guys. I think I've found the perfect camp spot. I mean, it comes with its own seating area. It's like a VIP lounge outside in the woodland. I'm hoping my hammock fits in between these 2 trees. I have checked online for the dimensions and yeah, I'm completely winging this. Worst case scenario, right, if I can't get it up, this will be bed for the night, and I'll just hang the tarp up above my head, because we are expecting a little bit of rain tonight. Let's try and get this set up. Well, that was easy enough. Let's see if it actually holds me. Moment of truth. Oh yes. Oh, I could lay here all day, but there's work to be done. Come on, Martin, let's get finished. Oh, and then you can have a beer. Ah, whoa, what was that? Woo. Take 2, because the last time I nearly lost an eye. Yep, not bad at all. I'll stick them in some tin foil. Oh. Now it's time for the main event. Ribeye steak. Put a bit of rock salt on that. If you could smell this, guys, wow. Cheers. Oh, that is some good steak. Let's try the potatoes. Yeah, the potatoes are beautiful. Ribeye is up there with one of the best cuts. So tasty. Let's put a bit of turkey inside there. That's some good steak. Let's go in with a little bit of kimchi. Wow, that kimchi is gorgeous. Well, we're down to the last few bits of steak and that was absolutely beautiful. The perfect camp meal. Who doesn't want to fall asleep with a campfire, let's be honest? Because I know I love falling asleep with a campfire. And now chill. Hey, do you know what I wish I had? Some marshmallows. So while I'm just chilling out around the campfire, I'd just like to take this time to say a massive thank you to all the people that have shown up every single week and shown support on my videos. It really does mean a massive amount to me. Sometimes it can feel like no one's watching you, or your videos aren't good enough. You're getting lost amongst the big creators in the YouTube game. Just having a few comments off the regulars who tune in every single week, even if it's just to say enjoyed your video Marty, or Bean Outdoors, because I know a lot of people know me by my real name. My name is Martin Bean. Oh my god, that is kicking out tonight. It just motivates me more to come out every single week, because it is hard. It's hard at the beginning because the numbers aren't making sense, the views aren't coming in like the effort you put in isn't matched on the views, if that makes sense. But yeah, YouTube can be difficult at times for a small creator like myself. Do you know, I've only been doing it 4 months and I absolutely love the process. I'm loving every single minute about it. Building a community. I've got fantastic people commenting on my videos every single week, showing support. And to be fair, they're the people that spur me to go on, motivating me to keep doing this. Getting up after work when you're absolutely exhausted after a busy week, going out on a Friday, doing a camp, getting home, spending like a day, 2 days editing a video. It makes it all worthwhile when even just 1 or 2 people comment saying, do you know what, thank you so much for this video. Like, I appreciate that massively, so maximum respect, cheers. But yeah, I just wanted to take a couple of seconds just to show a bit of appreciation to all my subscribers. These are all legends, thank you so much. And I will keep getting out and making the best content I possibly can. Hopefully in the future, when the channel grows, I want to expand, I want to go overseas, I want to do I've got some huge plans for this channel. Hopefully one day I can give you some absolutely amazing content. But anyway, I'll cheers to that. Thank you guys. I'll tell you what, this is really comfortable. I mean, look at this. Sat here, chilled out, under the tarp. Oh. Oh. I'm actually really looking forward to going to bed. This is really comfortable. I did not expect it to be this comfortable. Oh, this is amazing. Oh well guys, good morning. What an absolutely fantastic night's sleep I've had. Pleasantly surprised. Really didn't think I was going to get a good night's sleep in this. But yeah, I think I liked it better than the tent. Right, I'm going to have some breakfast. I'm starving. I've looked everywhere, right? I've only forgot to bring the coffee, haven't I? I think this is the 3rd camp now that I forgot my coffee. You wouldn't think that I'm a massive coffee person. So this morning we're having some porridge, mixed berries, nice and simple, quick. Oh, it smells beautiful. I can't believe I've got no coffee. Oh, first stop on the way home, coffee shop. You better believe it. Well, while my porridge is cooking away, I'm going to have a little clean around the camp spot. Leave no trace, as always. That's camp all clean. All I need to do now is pack this away, put my table away, and then I'm ready to do a dart. A dart out of here. Because I need my morning coffee, I'm telling you now. First time trying this. Well, I'll be buying them again. Got it all over me beard, haven't I? Messy bugger. Well, that's me about to hit the road. Thank you so much again for joining me on another camp. Hope you've enjoyed it. As always, I will see you on the next one.